Hi, welcome to Menu. Here we will show you how to create a beautiful and smart online menu for your customers. You can search your menu items. You can add different types of categories. You can see the likes. You can see the beautiful pictures. You can move a category that will also be reflected in the end user app. Let's move it back. You can add a subcategory. You can update the category name. You can make a category available for different order types and for different days. You can even make it available for a particular part of a day. And you can also show how long it will take to get that category type prepared for them. You can see the amount of likes. You can edit the menu item. You can create a menu item with different types of steps. In this example, your customer gets to customize their own salad and select different types of ingredients. Any number of combinations are available for selection. Again, you can add a subcategory. If you want to add a new menu item, you simply click the plus button on the category that you wish. If you want to add a new menu item, you simply click the plus button on the category that you want it to be added into. You choose a picture, the name of the item, and the price. This is the obligatory information that you need to fill in, but you can also fill in any additional information that you like. And it's added, just like that. It all looks very appealing. You can share your menu by clicking the share button. It can be shared on your social media such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, so that people can directly find your menu and any particular menu item. Ordering from your menu will be effortless for your customers. Thank you.